Enabling two-factor authentication on your SoundCloud account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoundCloud website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. This is where you will find the option for two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your phone number or use an authentication app to receive a verification code. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering the required information, confirm the changes and save your settings. You should receive a confirmation that two-factor authentication is now enabled. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your SoundCloud account. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.